Hey guys, let's make chicken sausage white pasta. Please find the ingredients in the description. Chop 4 long chicken sausage and fry until golden brown. Okay, it's ready. Now add 5 to 6 pods of crushed garlic and fry until the garlic turns golden brown. And chop off green chilies or even ignore them depending upon your choice. Then add salt to taste and mix well. After mixing, add any chopped vegetables like broccoli, carrots, beans, cauliflower, capsicum, or any other vegetables that you like. Here I'm using broccoli. After mixing, add chopped tomatoes and fry them until the tomato turns pasty and mix well. Then add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder or crushed peppers and 1 spoon of oregano and a chopped onions and mix them well. Then add a medium cooked spaghetti and try to mix well. And mind you, do not overcook spaghetti as the pasta will be too sticky, soggy and pasty. And after mixing well, we're gonna take any cream of your choice. And if you want more sauce, you can even add the water of the spaghetti that you boiled. And mix them well, and after mixing it well, you may turn off the gas. Since I do not want more sauce, I do not add any spaghetti water to it. Any cheese of your choice, and if you're a cheese lover, you may even add more. It all depends upon you. Okay, after grating the cheese, take 1 spoon of butter for a beautiful shine and a buttery taste and mix them well. Yeah, and then you add a cilantro for a beautiful taste and aroma. And here is the result. You can see that it's beautiful and it tastes yum as well. So go on guys, try this, stay safe and be at home.